Did you know that 85% of workplace accidents are caused by human error? Yet many organizations fail to dig deep enough to uncover the true causes of problems. Many businesses struggle with recurring issues, often treating symptoms rather than addressing underlying causes. This superficial approach to problem-solving can lead to wasted resources, persistent inefficiencies, and repeated failures. At an individual level, employees may feel frustrated by problems that keep resurfacing. Teams may lack a structured approach to problem-solving, leading to quick fixes that don't stand the test of time. This course provides a comprehensive framework for effective root cause analysis. It equips participants with tools and techniques to identify, analyze, and address the fundamental causes of problems. Participants will learn various root cause analysis methods, including the 5 Whys, fishbone diagrams, and fault tree analysis. They'll develop skills in data collection, problem definition, and implementing sustainable solutions. For organizations, the impact is substantial. They'll see fewer recurring problems, more effective use of resources, and improved overall performance. This leads to cost savings, enhanced reliability, and increased customer satisfaction. On a personal level, participants will gain valuable problem-solving skills applicable across various roles and industries. Teams will benefit from a shared approach to tackling complex issues, fostering more effective collaboration and continuous improvement. Ready to become a master problem solver? Don't miss this opportunity to develop expert root cause analysis skills. Enroll now and learn to address problems at their core, driving lasting improvements in your organization.